Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable ClickUp Gantt chart view for dependencies step by step clearly. Open ClickUp and log into your account. Navigate to the workspace where you want to enable the Gantt chart view. Select the project or list you'd like to view in Gantt format. In the upper right corner, click on the Views drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, choose the Gantt option. Once the Gantt chart view loads, locate the settings icon in the top right corner of the Gantt chart. Click on the settings icon to reveal additional options. In the settings panel, look for the dependencies section. Toggle the dependency feature to enable it. After enabling dependencies, you can now create dependencies between tasks. Click on a task in the Gantt chart to open the task details. In the task details, find the dependencies section. Click on Add Dependency to link this task with another. Choose the task you want to set as a dependency. Save your changes to establish the linkage. Repeat this process for any additional tasks you want to connect. Once you're done, you will see the dependency lines appear in the Gantt chart. This visual representation helps you manage your project timeline more effectively. Review your Gantt chart to ensure all dependencies are accurately displayed. You have successfully enabled the ClickUp Gantt chart view for dependencies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.